Maya-maya pa, ibang genre naman ang naisip ni Gladys.
Kailangan kong i-touch yung emotions ko. So parang, parang gusto ko ng something drama.
Kuya, anong
Princess
gagawin?
Crystal Ashley yan.
Kabadong-kabado lang po talaga ako. Nangangatog po talaga ako kanina, kuya. Kasi po, nakadagdag pressure din po, kuya, na Miss Gladys is watching us, kuya. The one and only.
Parang okay yung kunyari magkakapatid kayo.
3, 2, 1, PBB Acting, action!
Princess, what happened? Dad's inside the room. Is he okay? No, what happened? I don't know. I still don't. Wala pa yung doktor.
Where's Ashley?
I don't know. I've been calling her.
Si Mom, anong meron?
I don't know.
Anong nangyayari? Galing ako sa work. Bakit ba kami
when?
Kanina pa kami dito. Actually, hinihintay ka namin. Ang tagal mo.
Ate,
Ano ba nangyari, Princess? Can you tell me what happened?
well, I don't know din eh. Basta tinawagan na lang ako ng driver ni Dad. Tapos apparently he collapsed.
He collapsed.
While in a meeting.
Were you there?
No, I was not. I was outside.
Where were you? Pwede straight to the point na lang kasi late ako sa work. Pumunta pa ako dito para lang kay Dad dahil na-collapse siya. He's fine, right? He's breathing. Buhay pa siya, di ba?
Pwede ba?
Buhay pa siya, di ba?
Pwede ba? Respeto ka muna.
I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Princess, right?
Okay.
Don't
Let me talk to
disrespect me. Teka lang.
I'm not overstepping.
Teka lang. Tandaan mo yan. Oh my God, I hate your drama.
Akala ko may
Lagi
iyak
kang ganyan. Hindi ikaw yung kinakausap, pero ikaw yung laging sumasawsaw. Bakit?
Guys, please.
Bakit nagmamadali ka pumunta dito kasi favorite ka ni Dad, diba? Ikaw yung favorite ni Dad, diba? I'm your older sister! Makinig ka! Tatay na wala akong bakit! Kung older sister kita, nung kailangan kita, asan ka? Nung kailangan din kita, asan kayong lahat? Get out! Get out of my life! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out na ako! Get out! Please! Get out! Crystal! And never show yourself to us again! Hindi ka namin tanggap at hindi ka tanggap-tanggap. Leave!
Okay, this is about that. That's why I called the both of you. Can you stop fighting?
I'm leaving. Bahala na kayo.
Ashley!
Grabe ha? Huwag kalain yung mga staff niyo dito ha? Talaga namang... Oo. Pero hindi ba sila talaga magkakaaway sa totoong buhay? Ah, okay. Kasi ganun ako nadala ha? Doon sa kanilang performance ha?